Daw, alas 9 ng umaga, abangan sila. Tambalang walang sawang pinagkakatiwalaan. Hataw sa RH-TV.
Magandang araw pa rin po sa inyong lahat. Still June, wedding planner pa rin ang ating kausap. Walang iba kundi si Maha Batimana ng Event Center Wedding. Yan. Okay, Maha. Next question natin. Ano ang sakop na trabaho ng isang wedding planner or wedding coordinator kung
Oras natin mga kaibigan, alas 6:19 na po. At ngayon dumako naman tayo sa ating dekano ng MBC Sports Center, si Paring Roel Vidal. Paring Roel, magandang gabi sa iyo. Kamusta na?
Magandang gabi rin, Chris, at magandang gabi sa lahat ng tagapakinig natin sa DCI sa Taris TV, lalo na siyempre mga kababayan ko sa Antipolo Rizal.
Mhm.
Chris, napakaganda ng programa natin ngayon. Meron tayong bisita. Suki na rin natin halos eh. Kasama natin ngayon, bisita natin, Vice President for Marketing ng Alaska Milk, si Miss Blen Fernando. Blen, good evening.
Magandang gabi sa inyong parehong dalawa.
Mhm.
Nakita na naman tayo ulit.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Ilang buwan na yun.
Napaka-active ngayon ni Blen. Ang dami niyang ginagawa sa naikukwento niya sa atin, di ba?
Sobrang ang dami.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, sunod-sunod lang kasi Ruel, no. Pare-parehong tayo, I think ang dami nating ginagawa for sports. And it's really very good for the country, di ba?
Mhm. Uy, may kanina, di ba? Magandang balita nga yung sa RP Dragon boat natin,
that's
team.
right.
Humakot ng 4 na ginto. Pero ito, pag-usapan natin, although na-touch na namin to mga 2 weeks ago, no? Itong tungkol sa pag-usapan natin ngayon yung Alaska Iron Kids. Uy, meron palang ganyan, ano?
Tsaka meron din pa NBA Fit Run ng sponsor din ng
Ay,
Alaska.
talaga. Parang si coach yan, ha?
Itatanong ko kay Miss Blen, ano ba gusto mong pag-usapan muna, Miss Blen?
Kayo, choice nyo. But I think Iron Kids muna po.
Iron Kids muna.
Kasi yun ang pinaka mas malapit na mangyari.
Mhm.
Tsaka si Pare Ruel kasama namin.
Kasama ba si Ruel? Kasama ka ba? Sabi sa'yo ako sasali dun eh. Ba't ikaw sumali?
Kayang-kaya yung Iron Kids.
Ano yung Iron Kids sa Miss Blen?
Hindi, yung Iron Kids kasi, di ba meron din kaming Cobra Iron Man 70.3. So may version naman yan for the kids. Actually, second year na to ng Alaska doing the Alaska Iron Kids. Pero this is only for ages 6 to 14.
Wow.
So, sorry, hindi kayo pwede pareho.
Hindi pwede
Taga-cheer na lang tayo.
At saka, gagawin siya sa Kamsur this August 13.
13 ba? Oo. Isang araw bago yung Ironman naman, di ba? O 14 yun eh. So, sige. Kayaan pa kami na Ang Alaska Iron Kids, sabi nyo, pangalawang taon na ngayon. So, ano ba, nung staging ng unang taon mas nag-ano ba sila? Mas naging interesado ba? Dahil nakita nila, uy, okay pala ang mga lumahok, nag-enjoy sila. Siyempre, yung mga bata, yun lang naman ang dyan, mag-enjoy sila dito sa Iron Kids eh. So, paano itong second year na ito? Kamusta ang
Nung una kasi medyo mahirap, diba? Dahil yung mga parents, papahirapan nyo yung anak
yun nga
namin. Natatakot silang pag-run, bike, swim at the same time, diba? Pareho ng mga magulang nila. So, yun yung unang obstacle mo noon eh. Pero, over time, we realized na the way to go pala is to cut it up muna. So, in the beginning, pa-run muna tayo, tapos run and swim, tapos run, swim, bike. So, siguro, over time, we've also been very successful. We've grown Iron Kids successfully over the past 2 years, no? Last year, siguro we were only averaging about 130 pag may run and swim. Yung triathlon, mga less than 100. I think we were only doing 70 last year. But this year, as of today, we've already signed up 95 kids and we still have about a week to go. So I think aabot kami ng 130.
Marami talaga rin.
Tsaka hindi lahat sila anak ng triathletes, 'di ba?
Talaga.
Normally isipin mo ang parents nila triathletes din. Yung marami rin sa kanila individuals, they train supported by their parents who are not even triathletes.
So pwede rin pala. Tsaka mukhang hindi naman talaga naka-focus sa sobrang competition no? Mukhang pressure, hindi katulad sa Ironman ito ay for fun talaga dahil mga bata eh. Oo.
I think yung kids kasi naisip nila fun lang ito.
Oo.
Takbo, gusto nila mag-bike, gusto nila
Yes.
mag-swim.
Mm.
Pero over time,
Mm.
surprisingly, naiisip rin nila na kailangan sila mag-excel.
Ah.
Kasi every time makita mo yung mga kasabay mo dati, diba? Sasabihin mo, teka muna, hindi ako pwede magpahuli sa kanya. So over time, they become also competitive. Kami naman, of course, it is very good they're competitive. That's good for developing the athlete
Healthy
later
naman
on,
yun eh.
internationally and even locally. Pero first of all, we want the event to be family-oriented. We want to show that the kids and the family can be supported by their family in a sport. So come together, it's a family event para may emotional support yung bata, hindi lang pag-training and training na physical.
Yung Ironman, merong mga dayuhang kasali.
Meron.
Dito sa Iron Kids, meron din ba?
May mga anak ng foreigners who are based here.
May nakatira dito.
Oo. Nakatira dito yung mga expats. Pero alam mo, hindi ako maso-surprise kung next year may mga foreigners na nagpumunta dito. Kasi walang Iron Kids halos sa ibang countries. Parang in many countries, isa lang yung Philippines of the few. Sa US, of course, diba? Tapos dito, sa Asia, I think we're only one of the couple or one of the three. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-widespread.
Okay.
So, yun nga yung kung family-oriented na event, Chris, na naalala ko yun si Maricel. Dahil bagong panganak siya, pero pupunta siya doon dahil magta-triathlon yung husband niya at mga anak nila.
Okay.
So common ba to na families ang nagpupunta mismo doon sa
Very
sa Iron
common.
Kids?
Very common. In fact, marami dun, meron kami isang champion na bata, si undefeated yan, si Borlane. Yun ang family name niya. Yung father niya has also been an athlete his life. So, nata-transfer, not the same sport, pero nata-transfer sa kanya yung discipline, determination.
Guess namin yun eh. Si Ringo, yung world champion bodybuilder si
Bodybuilder.
Ringo.
Oo nga.
Tapos yung dalawang daughters niya,
Champion din na
Champion din.
At ironically, ang lagi nag-champion, yung younger by 1 year.
The younger kid. So, okay naman dun sa siblings, siguro there's really no rivalry, pero the support of the parents kasi is the one that helps that balance out.
Yung sa na isa rin sa mga things na alam ko, yung Cobra, they signed up for a 3-year contract.
Yes,
So, Alaska Milk ba has a 3-year contract then? And do you think na i-extend nyo to para patagal? Kasi Cobra, nag-declare na eh. Sabi na, after this year, kukunin na ulit.
Yes, we have a 3-year contract kasi pareho yan under the World Triathlon.
Yeah.
So, hopefully, kasi hindi lang naman namin decision yan, they will also have to evaluate if we are worthy of the extension after the 3rd year. But I think with the work we've done here, kami kasi, we planted the seeds eh. Hindi naman ganun kadaling i-expand yung Iron Kids. It's a very new concept here in this country. Pero hopefully, yes. If you ask me personally, I would want to extend after the 3 years. No, there's so much work we can do.
Tsaka do you plan also, kasi napansin ko, mostly events niyo sa Alaska Milk Iron Kids is nandito sa Metro Manila. Balak niyo bang baka pupunta ba kayo sa provinces with this? Pupunta ba kayo ng Visayas? Kasi alam ko na napaka-popular ng Alaska dun sa Visayas. Iba yung following nila doon eh.
Well, one of the plans to expand syempre is to go outside Metro Manila kasi kung dito lang talaga there are also a lot of talents outside, 'di ba? Lalo na yung mga bata outside, sanay tumakbo yan tsaka mag-swimming. Kasi natural talent na yun, 'di ba? Hindi na kailangan na umpisahan mo from training from zero, meron na silang. But we also have to make sure na safe yung mga ways of doing it there. So, yun, we'll probably do that at some time in the future. Yan, one of the ways to expand yan. At saka siguro ito, I'd also like to share this with both of you. And I think for the rest of those listening, yung Iron Kids kasi, we realized that sports in this country kasi is not really it's very hard to run a sport here or even to maintain it. So one of the challenges of any group of people working for a sport is the sustainability. So challenge talaga yan kahit ng Alaska, no? So by showing how a sport can be run professionally in an organized way, excellence with integrity, everything. Yun rin yung isang namin, that's also one of our advocacies. Parang how to show that sports can be run in a sustainable manner. Hindi lang yung panay dole outs, diba? Oo.